health.
Welcome to Fiat and Health Problem Solving. The first activity that I'd like to describe is one that I call calculating your heart rate. I use this in my life fitness class, and it's important for students to make sure that they're working out in their target heart rate zone. So we use math to calculate that. What we use is a fixed formula of 220 minus your age. That product then represents the maximum heart rate, and students should not exceed this number when working out. What we really want to know is what's the optimum zone for them to be working out for cardiovascular endurance. And so what we do is we take that product, that maximum heart rate number, and we multiply times 60%. We then take that same number of the maximum heart rate and multiply times 90%. That target heart rate zone now provides the student with some base knowledge for what their heart rate should be during a cardiovascular workout. So if you're a 24-year-old person, your maximum heart rate would be 196 beats per minute. Your target heart rate zone then using that formula would be 117.6 to 176.4. Those numbers represent how many beats per minute your heart should be beating during your exercise. The next activity I'd like to describe is also one that we use in life fitness during our nutrition unit, and we'd like to calculate how much fat is in your food. Fat is an essential nutrient, but unfortunately many Americans, specifically teens, get just too much fat in their diet. We have some base knowledge knowing that there are 9 calories per gram of fat. So what I have provided is a real life list of some food products that students may eat on a daily basis or integrated into their family dining. And we have taken those labels and we just identified how many fat grams are in that product per serving. And then we multiply that out times the 9 calories per gram. And then we want to look at what percent of the total calories from that product is fat. The general rule of thumb is that if your product is 25% or more fat, it is not recommended that you eat that on a regular basis. So the first product we took a look at is the Healthy Request chicken noodle soup. On that label it says that it has 2 grams of total fat. Extending out that calculation, 2 times 9 is 18. 18 calories from fat divided by the 100 total calories shows that we're at about 18% fat. This would be a healthy choice for a snack or a meal. The last problem-solving assignment I'd like to talk about is nutrition and calculating food labels. I typically call this going shopping. And what I do is I provide each student with a real product, and what we're going to do is take a look at the essential nutrients within that product, focusing on carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Because every gram of protein and carbohydrate contains 4 calories per gram, we are going to determine how many calories of that total product are coming from each of the 3 nutrients. So the first thing we want to take a look at is how many servings, how many total calories per serving, and then we're going to look at how many grams of carbohydrates, how many grams of fat, and how many grams of protein are within each product. We will then calculate using the fixed number. Carbohydrates have 4 calories per gram, so students will take the number